Gain competitive advantage by delivering unprecedented energy savings to your customers using Regen's patented Swarm logic fully integrated with Ayla's Agile IoT platform. While reducing ever-increasing energy cost in commercial and industrial environments is highly desirable, it traditionally comes at the expense of customer and employee comfort, and that's bad for business. An environment either too cold or too hot noticeably affects buying patterns and productivity, and typically causes unwanted and ill-informed adjustment of thermostats, frequently wasting more energy than is saved. Swarm logic intelligently manages electrical loads from the cloud, lowering consumption, reducing peak demand, and maximizing demand response savings, all without compromising comfort. With Swarm logic, devices intelligently communicate with each other to optimize energy usage. Consider typical usage over the working day. Swarm logic reduces consumption and resets tampered programs. It lowers demand in the facility without affecting comfort levels. Swarm logic incorporates open ADR standard functionality, providing customers with standardized, automated, and simplified demand response. It intelligently manages DR events to ensure people remain comfortable and avoids the classic problem of demand rebound at the end of a demand response event. Swarm logic can be applied across a wide variety of Ayla-enabled devices, including thermostats, water heaters, commercial boilers, baseboard in-wall heaters, pumps, motors, and more. Because Regen's Swarm logic is already integrated with key Ayla-enabled products made by world-leading manufacturers, you can make any building a smart building. A partnership with Regen Energy provides competitive advantage by delivering unprecedented savings for your customers without affecting comfort levels. For more information, contact us at ventures@regenenergy.com or call 760-481-7865.